Want to monitor your sleep for better rest and energy? Here's how to set up sleep tracking on your iPhone. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Open the Health app and tap the Browse tab at the bottom. Scroll down and select Sleep. Tap Get Started under Setup Sleep and follow the prompts. Set your sleep goal, bedtime and wake up time, then enable sleep schedule. Make sure wind down and sleep focus are also turned on for fewer distractions at night. You can customize them based on your preferences. If you use an Apple Watch, wear it to bed. It will automatically track your sleep duration and quality. After a few nights, return to the Health app to view your sleep analysis, including time asleep, consistency, and trends. That's it. You are now tracking your sleep on iPhone. Like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.